Hello, driving intelligence community. I've got this old polishing sander. I've had it for many years, bought it new, and finally it gave up the ghost when I was working on a fence. It just completely stopped. It was working 1 minute, not the next. There's an overload protection in this thing, but I'm not sure if that's what the problem is. So I'm going to take it apart. I've already removed all the screws that hold this together. It's a Torx head system. So I can remove the cover. And obviously it's pretty filthy from years of use. But the first thing I'm going to do is test this switch, because if I don't have continuity there, when I turn the switch on, that could be the problem. And then I'll move from there. Let's see if I've got a switch issue. I've got the switch out, and I'm going to use a multimeter to check continuity. I'm going to see if we've got an open circuit in the off position and a closed circuit in the on position. Ohmmeter is on, flipping the switch. And I have an open circuit. There's no continuity, so this switch is bad. I'm going to see if I can disassemble this switch and clean it out, determine what caused it to fail. Maybe there's another one that I can buy online to replace this. I can't see an easy way to take this switch apart to check the continuity, but I went on to Amazon, and here I've got 5 pieces for $5.99. So I'm not going to rebuild or try to work on this and waste my time. I'm going to go ahead and order some new switches, have some extras in hand, receive the new switches, and it's pretty amazing. I think I've got 15 in here for $6 shipped. And there's the new switch. So I'm going to test this switch and make sure it works, and then I'm going to install it. I've got the ohmmeter on, and I'm going to check the switch. I'll show an open line right now. Turn the switch on, and I have closed or continuity. The sander has been reassembled with the new switch. Make sure that you crimp the connectors that push onto the switch, because mine was a little loose from being disassembled. I've got it plugged in now, and let's see if the switch actually resolved the issue. Working perfectly. Don't replace it, fix it.